Hi guys, this video is to show you how to use Flipgrid when you are doing a repitan por favor assignment that you have for every assignment, every module. Okay, so this one is one that's days of the week, months of the year. It says practice the vocabulary available to you. Start a recording of yourself, either audio only or video, your choice. And then the assignment, this particular assignment isn't finished. It says you need to do the following items, blah, blah, blah. And then I would have a list of the items. So it says this topic was generated automatically from Canva's assignment. Click the record button to get started. Okay, so I click record a response. And then, is it going to let me scroll? I don't know if it's going to let me scroll. Oh, that's sad. There we go. Okay, I used the down button. All right, so note, down button. Okay, so if you don't want me to see your face, click this little guy right here where it says options. Upload clip, mic only, mirror video, mute, and record screen. Look right here, mic only. And then it goes away. And you can see that I'm talking. Okay, but then I can go back and click off of it, and I come back. See, so you have the choice. All right. If I'm ready though, I'm just going to do this. Okay, so it counts down 3, 2, 1, and then you're going to need to go over to your Quizlet. And here's my days of the week and my months of the year. So I'm going to click on over to study and flashcards. Am I on flashcards? I don't know. There we go. And you can see the red button up top that it's recording there. So the days, let's do this. Do I have volume? No, I don't. There we go. There we go.
Los días.
Los días.
Monday.
Oh, I forgot to. Well, that failed right out the. There we go.
El lunes.
El lunes. Oh yeah, I need to learn my keyboard shortcuts for this. Tuesday is.
El martes.
El martes.
El miércoles.
El miércoles. Thursday.
El jueves.
El jueves. I'm not very good at manipulating. What's my keyboard shortcuts? Here we go. And then you're going to need to go over to your Quizlet. Ooh. And here's my days of the week and my months of the year. So yeah, it stopped me. Oh, I only have 1:30. Okay, there we go. So I can probably change that over for you. Anyway, that was a little creepy, not going to lie. And here we go. I'll hit next. Oh, my display name is test student, blah, blah, blah. Title. If you're displaying it, because I'm on the test student section. First name, last name, date and hour. As always, guys. If I've got to be able to grade it, y'all. Fair enough. Okay. Hit submit. Do not close this app while we process. Oh my gosh, confetti! Love it. And then complete. There's one response. Is that not just the most flattering and attractive? I love it. SoBomb.com. Do people even say that anymore? I don't think they do. All right. So now that we're enjoying that, look at those pretty mountains. I dig it. Then you're good to go. All right. Love you guys so much. And pretty easy to use. All right. Love you guys. Bye.